Welcome to our journey through Earth's history, exploring major extinctions that have shaped life on our planet. From cosmic collisions to volcanic eruptions, these events paved the way for new life, leading to the rich biodiversity we see today. Our first stop is the Ordovician period, which dates back to around 443 million years ago. This era was a time of incredible marine biodiversity and geological activity. Life flourished in the ancient seas, with trilobites and coral reefs dominating the underwater landscape. These creatures thrived in the warm, shallow waters, creating complex ecosystems. However, a dramatic climate shift brought about a prolonged ice age. Glaciers began to form, and the Earth's temperature dropped significantly, altering the environment drastically. As a result, sea levels fell dramatically, temperatures plummeted, and the chemistry of the oceans changed. These changes created a harsh environment for marine life. Unable to adapt to these rapid changes, approximately 85% of marine species vanished. This mass extinction event wiped out a significant portion of the Earth's biodiversity. The once vibrant coral reefs, which had been teeming with life, were decimated. The colourful underwater landscapes turned into barren wastelands. But from this extinction event, new life forms began to emerge. These new species adapted to the changing conditions, diversifying into new ecological niches and creating new ecosystems. The Ordovician-Silurian extinction highlights the immense power of natural forces to reshape our planet. It serves as a reminder of the ever-changing nature of life on Earth and the resilience of life to adapt and evolve. Moving to the Devonian period, 375 million years ago, we find ourselves in a world vastly different from today. Life began colonizing land, creating vast forests that stretched as far as the eye could see. These early land plants and trees formed dense prehistoric forests, transforming the landscape. Meanwhile, Devonian oceans teemed with diverse fish and recovering coral reefs. The marine life was vibrant and varied, with ecosystems thriving in the warm, nutrient-rich waters. However, the rapid expansion of plant life on land led to nutrient overflow into oceans. Rivers carried these nutrients from the land into the sea, causing significant changes in the marine environment. This influx of nutrients triggered massive algal blooms, which in turn depleted oxygen levels in the water, creating vast marine dead zones where life struggled to survive. Coupled with global cooling, these conditions proved catastrophic for many marine organisms. The cooling climate further stressed the ecosystems, leading to widespread die-offs. The late Devonian extinction event is a stark reminder of the delicate balance within ecosystems. Fossil evidence shows a significant loss of marine life, marking one of the major extinction events in Earth's history. Despite the devastation, life endured and evolved. Resilient ancient life forms adapted to the changing conditions, showcasing the incredible adaptability of life on Earth. These survivors adapted, developing new evolutionary traits that allowed them to thrive in the altered environment, setting the stage for the next chapter in Earth's story. The resilience and adaptability of life continue to shape our planet's history. Now, let's journey back to the Permian period, 252 million years ago. Life had made a remarkable recovery, with reptiles and ammonites thriving in diverse ecosystems. These creatures roamed the land and seas, creating a vibrant and dynamic world. However, this era of prosperity was abruptly disrupted by colossal volcanic eruptions in Siberia. These eruptions were so massive that they triggered a runaway greenhouse effect, altering the planet's climate drastically. As a result, global temperatures soared to unprecedented levels. The oceans acidified, making it difficult for marine life to survive, and the air became toxic, suffocating many terrestrial species. This catastrophic event led to the Permian-Triassic extinction, the most severe extinction event in Earth's history. An astonishing 96% of marine species and 70% of terrestrial species perished, marking a profound loss of biodiversity. The once vibrant oceans became lifeless, and lush forests turned into barren wastelands. The planet was left in a state of desolation. The Great Dying was not just an end, but also a profound reset for life on Earth. It paved the way for new forms of life to emerge and evolve. The world that emerged after this mass extinction was vastly different from before. New ecosystems began to form, and life slowly started to recover and adapt to the transformed landscapes. Emerging from the Great Dying into the Triassic period 201 million years ago, life, though decimated, was not extinguished. The Triassic saw the rise of dinosaurs evolving into diverse forms. Volcanic eruptions continued to disrupt the climate. The Triassic-Jurassic extinction wiped out 76% of species. Many dominant reptiles were wiped out, paving the way for dinosaurs. This extinction set the stage for the reign of the dinosaurs. It is a testament to life's resilience and ability to adapt. Our journey culminates in the Cretaceous period, 66 million years ago. Dinosaurs ruled the land and the oceans teemed with life. An asteroid impact near the Yucatan Peninsula unleashed devastation. Earthquakes, tsunamis and wildfires followed. The Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction marked the end of the dinosaurs. 76% of plant and animal species perished. From this devastation, mammals survived and diversified. They filled the vacant ecological niches, leading to new life forms. Major extinctions have reshaped life on Earth, opening the way for new species. Understanding these events helps us predict and prepare for future environmental challenges. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Earth's history. Like, share, and subscribe for more insights.